What's up, people? Before we get started, let's clarify the difference between curriculum vitae and resume. Your CV is a detailed overview about your education and your professional history, and literally has no limit on the number of pages that you can create and submit. When it comes to resume, it is a brief overview of your professional qualifications, touching your educational qualifications, and a resume is limited to 1 or 2 pages. Even the CEOs follow the rule of a single page resume. So let's see how we can create resume using Word. Open Word file, go to File and select New. This would list all the built-in Word templates available. Filter it out with resume and you would see resume specific templates. So let's go with the traditional one first. Most of these are just one-page resumes, and click on create. Word downloads it for you and you would see the template downloaded. You can select something more fancy and creative, something like this. Now editing this is straightforward in terms of text, but if you are looking to edit design, it's not that simple. If you can focus, all of these are actually tables and they are not easy to just go and edit as you like. You need to learn the tips and tricks for that, but if you're fine with the space, then you're in luck. Check this out. Word 2019 has dictate feature where you say brown and it automatically changes the text to brown. And these are some features that I would be creating in future, so do subscribe. Word also has LinkedIn powered CV assistant. I'm planning to create a video on that. So yep, thank you for watching and good luck with your resume.